how to see if someone read your email. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be finding out the process in order to do so. So let's just get started. So you can use the built-in feature within the Gmail or use a mail tracker for that. So for that, if you'd like to use the built-in feature, go ahead and find the compose option and click on it. And here you may just go on with the normal process of composing, drafting an email. And once you do, you may look out for this three dot option, the more option, click on it. And you may look out for the option to turn on read receipt if you have that option available. So this is the method available. This may not be available for every email address, or that feature not may be available for everyone. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and visit Chrome Web Store on your preferred browser. Just go ahead and type in Chrome Web Store and open it up. This one right here for Chrome. And once you are here, you can search for the extension, which is Email Tracker for Gmail. You can just go ahead and type in Email Tracker or Gmail and find one of the extensions, for example this one right here, and you can add it to Chrome and click on add extension and add that particular extension to your Chrome and wait for the download to be completed. Once it is completed, you'll be finding it like this. Now you may just go ahead and pin it. Look out for this option, look for pin option and pin it. And once that is done, you can sign in with Google here with the same account that you used for your email. And then once you give all of the necessary permissions, here you will be finding the mail tracker being successfully installed. And here you can see a check mark option, which means marked as read. So if somebody reads your message right here, your composed email, the color will be applied to the check mark right here. And that is it. So if you'd also like to go ahead and find out who has read or seen your email, you may follow up this process. So that's it for today's video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.